Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Maths Polynomial Exercise 2.5 sum. Let's see the question. Factorize each of the following. Factorize in the sense they have given in the first sum 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So first two are in cubes and we find squares here. As I told before in the previous sums, if they have given the answer, we need to write the question of the identity. If they have given the question of the identity, we need to write the answer. Here there is two numbers in cube, so that means it is in cube formula. You can find that it is in cube formula. So we have only one cube formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is the formula and it should be in the form this. There are two cubes and two squares, so it should be in this form. We'll see whether it is in the form. For a cube, it should be in the whole cube form, not a cube. So factorize 8. If we factorize 8, we find it is in 2, 2, 2. So 2a cube. Taking cube root of 8, it is 1, 2 outside. So 2a cube plus b cube there is only b cube. So you can write b cube as it is. Now plus 3a square b. 3a this is your a cube. So this will be your a. So 2a into b, 2a square b plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You need to see for a and b. This will be your a, this will be your b, because a cube plus b cube. Don't see here, this is not your a, it should be in the whole cube. Your a should be in the whole cube. Now check. Here 2 into 2 into 2 is 8a cube plus b cube. Now you need to square it first, then we need to multiply. If I square, I get 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 a square b. Here 3 2s are 6, 6ab square. So it is in the form of this. We need to complete the answer in this. This will be 2a. A will be your 2a. So 2a plus b the whole cube is your answer. As they have given us factorize, we need to write in 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. In multiply, we need to finish it off. So I have written in, as it is cube, I have written it 3 times. So this is your first sum. We'll move on to the second one. In the second one, it is given as 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. 2 cubes and 2 squares, that means this should be in a minus b whole cube, because in b we have minus sign. So this should be in a minus b whole cube formula. Let me write the identity. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let me check whether this is in the form of this. Factorize 8. If we factorize 8, we already know it is 2 will come out. If we take cube root of 8, 2 comes out. So it is 2a the whole cube minus b the whole cube minus 3 into a will be your 2a. So 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into a is 2a into b square. Now solve and check it. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8a cube, b minus b cube. Here we need to square it first. So if we square, we get 4 3s are 12a square b plus 6ab square. So we have got in this form. We need to complete the answer in this form. So this is nothing but 2a minus b the whole cube. So 2a minus b the whole cube is the final answer for the second one. We'll move on to the third one. In the third one, it is given as 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Yeah, it is not in cube, but we can factorize 27 to, we can take cube root of 27 to find the value of A. It goes in 3 tables, 3 9s are 27, 3 3. If we take cube root of 27, we get 3. 1 3 will come out, so we will have 3. So here we can write this to be 3 cube. As it is in minus, this is in this form. Minus, even for 125 we need to factorize. If I factorize 125, it goes in 5 tables. 5 2s are 10. Now 5 5s are 25. If I take a cube root of 125, I get 5. So 5a the whole cube minus, as I told before, we need to write in 3a square b form. So 3a is 3 here. So 3 square, b is 5a. Now plus 3ab square. 3ab square is 3ab square. So we'll check. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Yeah, 5 into 5 is 25. Into 5 will be 125. So 125, then a cube. Minus first square this. 3 square is 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 5 is 135a with a minus sign. Yeah, 25 into 9. 25 into 3 3s are 9. So 25 into 9 will be 225 a square. I have squared it. We need to square it first and then we need to multiply. As it is in the answer form of the identity, we need to finish it off with the question form. The question form is a minus b. A here is 3 minus b here is 5a the whole cube. This is the answer for the third sum. We'll move on to the fourth one. In the fourth one, the question given is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Now this is in a cube, this is in a cube, square and square. So the formula here is a minus is there, so a minus b whole cube. Let me write the identity first. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here factorize it. 64, if we factorize, it goes in 2 tables. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, again with 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, again with 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Here we have 2 power 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 power 6 cube root. If we take 2 power 6 cube root, this is nothing but into 1 by 3. We can write the cube root to be power 1 by 3. If we cancel, we find it is square. So 2 square is nothing but 4. The cube root of 64 is 4a the whole cube. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So already we have found with 27, 27 is 3. So 3b the whole cube minus, we need to write in 3a square b. Don't see here, see here. 3 into a is 4a into b is 3b. So 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we'll check. This 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 a cube. Here for 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 b cube with the minus sign. Here minus sign. 4 4s are 16, 16 into 9 is 144 a square b. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 into 12, 9 12s are 108 ab square. So it is in the form of the answer. We need to complete it with the question. So 4a minus 3b the whole cube is the answer for the fourth one. Let's see the fifth sum. In the fifth sum, the question is 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Yeah, there is one plus, there is one minus. Then it should be in the form of a minus b the whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now we'll conclude in this, we'll check whether it is in this form. Now for 27 we have already written it is 3 p the whole cube. For 216 we'll prime factorize. If I prime factorize 2, 2 ones are 0, 2 8s are 16. If 1 doesn't go, we need to put 0 and take 1 to this side. It becomes 16. So 2 8s are 16, not 1 8. Sometimes people write it to be 18. It is not 18. It is 2 ones are 2. If 1 doesn't go, put a 0, take 1 2. 2 6, so it becomes 16. Then you multiply. Now again with 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. With 3, 3 9s are 3 3. Taking cube root, if there is 2 2, 1 2 will come out. If there is 3 2, 1 2 will come out. If there is 3 3, 1 3 will come out. So your cube root of 216 is multiplying this 2, which is nothing but 6. So here 1 by 6 the whole cube. For taking cube root of 1, we will have the answer 1. So no problem with taking a cube root of 1. You can write 1 as it is. Now, minus 3, a square is 3p square, b is 1 by 6. Now plus 3ab square. So 3ab square. Now this is a single, there is no power, so you can cancel this. This becomes, now check, a cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, p cube minus 1 by, as we multiply, we know that 6 cube is 216, here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. If we cancel this, it becomes 9 by 2. Now this becomes, we need to square it, then we cancel. If we cancel, we are getting 1 by 4p. So it is in the answer form. We need to complete it in the question form. The question here is 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. Before that, I have completed the answer like this, but it is a factorized. We need to write it in 3 times. So 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 is the final answer for the sum. That's all with this sum. Thank you.